Yes, sir. Nice to meet you.
That's it. What's your name? Are you? So you are the other political party? Looking on this gentleman on TikTok, I thought that he was shorter. I didn't realize this guy was so tall. Taller than me.
The camera lies.
So bad, Sedikki.
Yeah.
So who would tell you you must go for a political party? Leave politics to me. It's good to see you. Blessings. I see your stuff every now and again pop up on my feed.
And they provide good commentary on current events.
I'm not going to encourage them. I'm not encouraging them, but you know, you guys add the kind of depth to our social media. You know, sometimes you look at the content on social media and sometimes it has no, you know, it's just, you know, it just doesn't have any feel. But yeah, I can relate to some of the stuff you do. And I think it's first of all, I think it's funny, some of it. Yeah. But some of the stuff too, very deep. Like I see some of the stuff you do. You're carrying hundreds of thousands of minds with you. Just carry them in the right direction, that's all.
Yes, sir.
All right? Blessings.
Thank you.
Blessings.